Hi, it's Denise. I am here to show you exercise for your low back and actually your core as well. It's called the bird dog. I'm going to have Adrian on the mat. He's going to be on all fours. And then the next step is you're going to, whichever arm you want, you're going to actually raise at eye level. You're going to raise the opposite leg. You're going to kick it back. Make sure you squeeze that glute and engage the core. And then you're going to actually bring them in to meet together. And then bring it right back out. And you're going to stay at the same side for 3 sets of 10. And then repeat again on the other side.